Hello and welcome to a bonus guide in Age of Empires 2, the Conquerors, and this was about civilizations, the bonuses that civilization can get, and I'm playing as the Mayans this time. So first, their unique unit is the Plumed Archer, which costs 37 wood and 37 gold. Now that might seem an odd number to have, but there's a particular reason for that. So if I were to create one and show you what they're like. Now the Mayans, they were in the Americas along with the Aztecs, and they can't get cavalry. So this is like the alternative to the cavalry archers. It's a plumed archer, about the same speed as a cavalry archer would have, but also the plumed archer, they don't seem to have any bonus, which is a little bit unusual. But however, they have 50 hit points, 5 attack normal, and 0-1 armor and 4 range. So if I were to get a blacksmith and fully upgrade them, let's go to the Imperial Age and let's get the elite plumed archer, which is 1000 wood and 500 food. And it's one of the few unique technologies that doesn't cost gold. So upgrading to elite is actually quite good. So they're on 55014 and they go up to 65 hit points, still on 5 attack but 0-2 armor and 1 extra range. And upgraded them fully, so a fully upgraded elite plumed archer would have 65 hit points, 8, actually would it be 8? Let's just see, because I don't know whether mines can get chemistry. Yep, they can get chemistry. So they get 9 attack, and they get 3-6 armor and 8 range. But now they cost 33 wood and 33 gold. That's because with the mines, archery range units cost 10% less in the feudal age, 20% less in the castle age, and 30% less in the imperial age. The unique technology for the mines is called El Dorado, and it gives an extra 40 hit points to Eager Warriors. So Eager Warrior costing 20 food and 50 gold. Just a regular Eager Warrior has 50 hit points, and Elite Eager Warrior has 60. But El Dorado, which costs 750 food and 450 gold, makes Eager Warriors have 90 hit points and Elite Eager Warriors 100 hit points. So if I get all the upgrades at the blacksmith, so here I've got Plumed Archer with 8 range, they're pretty fast, and so they can get, and costing only 33 wood and 33 gold, they're pretty good for what you get. So they could be the range unit in an attack, and then Elite Eager Warrior have 100 hit points, 13 attack, and 3-8 armor. So these two going to attack an enemy's base is pretty good indeed. Now, the same with the Aztecs. In a standard game or multiplayer game, the Mayans, because they don't get cavalry, start with the Eager Warrior as opposed to the Scout Cavalry. Walls for the Mayans cost 50% less. So a palisade wall normally costs 2 wood, now they only cost 1 wood. And a stone wall normally costs 5 stone, but now it costs 3 stone, because you can't halve 5 correctly. And that's the team bonus for the Mayans, so every civilization can get that. That's allied with the Mayans. And I don't think really there's any other civilization that have decent wall bonuses. So I guess it's useful for most civilizations actually. I mean, I guess the Goths, because they don't get stone walls, so it'd be useful for them to have cheaper palisade walls so they can create more of them. Yeah, I don't think, just looking through my book, I don't think there are any other civilizations that do have any decent wall upgrades. I guess ones with towers or castles, if they were protected by the walls, that would be useful because the walls would obviously cost less. Also, when the Mayans start a standard game, not only do they get an Eager Warrior as opposed to Scout Cavalry, they start with 1 extra villager, but they have minus 50 food. So you'll start games with 5-5 population, and the first thing that you'd want to do is to create houses. But this is useful because you can create the house and get loom at the town centre anyway. So you haven't really lost any time there. Now, the final bonus that the mine can get is that resources last 20% longer. Now I got a bit confused by that, but if I were to mine this gold mine here, we'll just see how much this gold miner takes away from the gold mine itself, and I guess it's going to be about 13. Okay, so it's got 13 gold, but the gold mine has only gone down by 11. So for a slinging civilization, the mines are very good because they get more resources from the gold. So for example, a tree that gives 100 wood would give you 120 wood. A farm that has 400 food would give you, quite, I've forgotten what it would be, 480 food. So that's a very useful thing to have. Those are all the bonuses for the mines. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next part, which will be for the Mongols.